I'm Jim with QSB, and today we're out in the shop. We're going to show you from start to finish how the minting process goes, because we've been asked that multiple times. We're going to show you how this 3/9 fine silver is going to turn into these 1 ounce silver rounds, and how the whole minting process works. So this is the caster. This is where we melt down all of our silver to produce our bars. And the process starts off with the crucible, which is up here. And we load in all different kinds of pure silver. So anything from bullion to rounds to scrap, as we're loading today, and also silver shot. So the furnace is running at about 2100 degrees. The crucible holds about 600 ounces of silver at a time. As it comes down through the crucible, it is heated up by the furnace and comes out through our die, which we interchange depending on the project that we're doing. Right now we are working on a larger die for our 10-ounce bars. The die cools the silver down, so then it attaches itself to the end of this bar here, and then is pulled out of the crucible by this machine. As the silver comes out, then we cut the bars into our desired length for the rolling process. So as you can see, these are wider bars for, again, our 10-ounce bars. And then roll it for the first time. And you can see there's already a change in the texture of the silver. The bars are then rolled so that they come out the desired thickness to be stamped into rounds.
After the strip's been rolled, they come over here where we punch it. Today we're punching 39mm blanks. We do various sizes. We do 10-ounce bars. This is set up for 30mm, either half ounce, or we do 1 ounce pieces of gold on that as well. We can do things as small as 10th ounce pieces of silver too.
So, like we said, we stress it a lot. Each coin is individually weighed, and just to guarantee that each one's at least 1 troy ounce. If you look up at the chart, each coin that's weighed shows up here in this chart, and if it's under that bottom red line, then it gets rejected and comes out to the reject pile. Well, like I said, it's important to us to be able to guarantee that each piece is at least 1 troy ounce. So if you buy 100 troy ounces of silver, you're going to get 100 troy ounces plus some, because we don't want to have any of our pieces going out into the market that are underweight. So all of the coins that are under 1 troy ounce are rejected and are remelted, and those that are over 1 troy ounce continue on through the process through our rimming machine, and from there they go through the annealing tunnel to be softened. After we do the annealing and punching of the coin, we want to make sure that it gets clean, and we clean off any gunk and grime on here. So we come to our burnishing machines, and any of these medias that we use, this one's more of an aggressive media that takes more of the junk off and anything that needs to be removed, and just gives it a nice finish. We have other medias that give more of a polished shine. These are stainless steel beads, and you can tell that this is a lot more of a good polish and a lot more of a mirror finish for our proof-like pieces and different custom minting.
all the blanks we have here, once before they go to the processing and minting, we have to grade them and just make sure they're all in good condition and that all the pieces are minted to perfection. So after all that's happened and getting the blank ready, we get to the most exciting part, which is actually stamping the design on the medallion. So this is done on one of our 3 presses, and this press can actually run about 200 rounds a minute. The pressure depends on what piece and what size we're stamping, but this press has a capacity of 300 tons of pressure to stamp each medallion. And once everything's stamped, we get it all packaged up and shipped out to you.